So, how are you guys? How are you today? How is everybody doing? So today I will talk about the non-farm payrolls because also about the unemployment rate, US unemployment rate, about average hourly earnings because these indicators are seen as high impact indicators, high impact events, and most likely the volatility will be high. And hi, how are all trades and learn to trade? Members to best. Arif, hi, how are you? Amazing Animals, hello. Hi, how are you? Mohammed, hi, how are you? Peter, hello. Fingers crossed for some good results for the USD longs. It remains to see. What you guys think will happen to gold update. So let's take a look. So first of all, here is the disclaimer. Yeah, as you already know, it's important to understand the risks. And if you are a VIP member, personally, I'm still holding for now my my positions: US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, US dollar versus the Swiss franc. So which are in profit right now. And risk disclaimer, yeah, please read it, and if you have questions you can send an email to support. So non-farm employment change 295,000, unemployment rate 3.5%, average hourly earnings 0.4% growth expected. Okay, so yeah, Mohammed, will the non-farm payroll affect US oil? Yeah, most likely US oil. So let's take a look. Yeah, you have to be careful, guys, because non-farm payrolls and also unemployment rate and the average hourly earnings will bring high volatility and sharp movements on all markets. Okay, gold, silver, US oil, Bitcoin, Ethereum, US equities, US dollar, major currency pairs, Japanese yen. So these markets will be affected by the non-farm payrolls, and that's why you have to be careful. Okay, and maybe you'll have to stay away if you are not an experienced trader, because there are a lot of opportunities. There will be a lot of opportunities later after the non-farm payrolls. Okay, in the markets, and we can catch, and you can catch something else. So how long will be the news? So in 10 minutes we'll have the non-farm payrolls, yeah, unemployment rate, and the average hourly earnings. Okay, hello, what about we got so Mohammed, about the US 100. Jack, hi, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. How are you, Jack? So about US 100, and that's not my trade. That's Orlando's trade. He will come back with his update about gold, guys. If you remember, or actually, yeah, I hope earlier I've sent a video analysis, and I've talked about gold, I talked about the non-farm payrolls, and I've said that maybe this could be only a temporary rebound. It could retest the weekly S2, the downtrend line, the immediate downtrend line before going down, or I've said that a very breakout here could signal potential growth towards this resistance zone, and I've said that maybe I will look for potential shorts, okay, for potential shorts in gold, only because the bias is bearish despite temporary rebounds. Please take a look here. Okay, this was only a temporary rebound, sell off, rebound, sell off, rebound, sell off, maybe a temporary rebound. It remains to see if we'll have a larger rebound or only a temporary one. Here, if it stays below the downtrend line, it could come back down, but right now it's risky to place a trade I don't know, 8 minutes, 7 minutes before the US data dump. Okay, so personal weight with gold, I don't want to do anything right now, because I also have other trades running right now. So Arif, hi, yeah, hi. What do you think about payrolls, positive or negative this time? Gold target. So I don't know. It remains to see. So I've told you, the specialists, the traders are expecting the non-farm payrolls at 295,000 in the last month versus 528,000 in July. So it remains to see. But fundamentally, guys, if the non-farm payrolls will come in worse than expected, far below this level, okay, then this could be bad for the US dollar. Or if the non-farm payrolls will come in better than expected, or in line with expectations, or better than expected, maybe above this level, then this could be good for the US dollar. But very important, you also actually you have to keep an eye also on the dollar index. You need to understand that the dollar index is bullish. Okay, it has jumped above this former high, above this key level. So corrective phase, rally, strong rally, a minor retreat here, and right now yeah, it has jumped above 109.29. so the bias is bullish, and because the bias is bullish, guys, as long as it stays above these former highs, maybe above this support zone, demand zone, so the bias is bullish. Okay, so because the bias is bullish here on the dollar index, and in my opinion, in line with expectations, non-farm payrolls or better than expected, could I don't know, could push the DXY higher. Okay, in the short term, it remains to see what will really happen. That's why personally I'm still keeping my my position in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Okay, gold target. What about gold? So Mandla, hi, how are you? How are you guys? Thanks for your messages, guys. If you want me to take a look on a specific market, I will take a look maybe later. But please, guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, I want your time frame. Please tell me what you are looking at. Okay, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, if you are long, if you are short, if you believe that the price will grow, if you believe that the price will drop or something. So I need your time frame as well, and let's have a conversation. I closed my long trade on USD Swiss franc before the non-farm payrolls. Yeah, personally I'm still holding my trade in US dollar versus the Swiss franc, only because as you already know, let's take a look. US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Please take a look here. This is my trade in or this was my setup, because my stop loss is at break even. That's why I'm still keeping my remaining 17% in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Yeah, okay, guys, how does Canadian dollar Swiss franc got affected by non-farm payrolls? Are you keeping USD long? Yeah, I'm keeping my USD long for now. Yeah, maybe I will manage it after the non-farm payrolls. If the economic data will be bad or something like this. Yeah, I'm still keeping my my USD long for now. It's up to you how you want to manage your positions. Yeah, US dollar Swiss franc, it would have reached my take profit here. But as you already know, personally, I've managed my position. I've closed it at 83% here, 0.9794 or something. Retest, rally. It would have reached my target, but personally, I'm still keeping my remaining here. DXY again. And I'm keeping my position only because the bias is bullish here. After this aggressive breakout, this could be only a temporary retreat, and also even if the price will come back down to retest here 108.56, maybe my position will still be good and valid. It's up to you, Rev, if you want to close your position, if you cannot afford to keep a full risk trade. But also my trade, actually my risk on US dollar Singapore dollar is 0.78%, so it's not 1%, it's below 1%, it's 0.78 or something. So that's why I'm still keeping my trade for now. Please give a signal for free. Tech, are you a VIP member? And I believe that if you are only a free member, Orlando sent a free trade in the VIP group today. So maybe that's it for today for the free members. Yeah, positive non-farm payrolls expected as per group. It remains to see. Yeah, it remains to see if the non-farm payrolls will come in better than expected or worse than expected. Okay, and also I'll keep an eye on the dollar index. 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes. What time? What? In 2 minutes, guys. So let's take a look again on gold. Gold, yeah, it has reached this confluence area. The intersection of these two resistance levels has two support turned into a resistance and the downtrend line. So we have a confluence area here. Yeah, confluence area, guys. And less than 1 minute. Yeah, before the non-farm payrolls. What are your thoughts on Nasdaq 100? So that is not my trade, it's Orlando's trade. He will come back with his management, so you'll have to wait for volatility right now on US dollar versus the US dollar. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. So that is Orlando's trade, as I've said, on US 100. So you'll have to wait for his updates into the VIP group, and you'll have to, of course, if you want to follow his trade management. Let's refresh it. I'm waiting also in my news terminal for non-farm payrolls. Yeah, non-farm payrolls better than expected, 315,000. So better than expected, guys. Non-farm payrolls. Unemployment rate, yeah, worse than expected. An unexpected growth from 3.5% to 3.7%. Unemployment rate from the United States. Average hourly earnings only 0.3% growth. So mixed data right now from the US. Let's see how the markets will react. Right now the dollar index drops, but I don't know, maybe this could be only a temporary sell-off or something. Yeah, this could be only a temporary sell-off. Let's wait as a first reaction after unfortunately so right now I'm still holding my position in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, because yeah, it's too late maybe to do something, but as I've said, my risk is only 0.78%, so I'm keeping this position. My US dollar versus the Swiss franc is still in profit. Let's take a look. So as a first reaction, guys, the US dollar crashed, dropped. Yeah, as a first reaction. Also here US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Here a former high, but I'm still keeping my position here because my my stop loss is at break even, so my trade is safe. My remaining 17%. Dollar index again. Let's take a look. Yeah, it could the dollar index could I don't know, could retest these former highs, as I've said before, coming back higher, before trying to resume its growth. So also my position is still running in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Yeah, it's still valid despite that sell-off. Okay, I will try to answer to your questions as well if you have questions. So US 100, let's take a look on US equities, US 100, and I will try to yeah, it has rallied. It has rallied after the US data dump. Let's take a look also on gold. Yeah, gold is going nuts. Yeah, let's wait, because I've said that maybe this could be only a temporary growth before coming back down. So maybe I'm still a seller, I'm still a bear here on this market on gold, but I need a setup to trade. I need a high probability setup. I don't want to go long or short at market right now. Okay, has there been any signal sent to the VIP today, as I haven't received any? Mike, yeah, I believe that that we had US 100, yeah, Nasdaq, into the VIP group. Of course, if you are in the Forex group, in the VIP group, and not in the crypto or swing group, or I don't know, yeah, or only in the free group or something, yeah. So yeah, gold rallied, but as I've said, if it makes a value breakout here, I will look for potential shorts here around these levels, or here around this major downtrend line. So right now, no, I don't want to do anything. Anything could happen in the short term, high volatility and sharp movements, and also here dollar index sell-off right now, and let's wait. It could also hit this this support, okay, dynamic support uptrend line, okay, after registering only false breakout here above the warning line, above this upside line. Yeah, on mixed data, guys, mixed data. Unfortunately, the unemployment rate worse than expected. Yeah, unemployment rate worse than expected, 3.7%. Versus 3.5% expected. Average hourly earnings only 0.3% growth versus 0.4 expected. Yeah, and non-farm employment change better than expected, but below 528,000 in July. Okay, so maybe that's why the dollar index crashed. That's why gold rallied. And only because the dollar index dropped here, crashed, that's why the US equities rallied in the short term. Let's take a look. US 30, yeah, it has rallied. US 500, yeah, strong rally, but no, I don't want to place a trade on mixed data right now, because if the US data, if these indicators would have reported better than expected data, that also average hourly earnings and unemployment rate, or in line with expectations, then maybe I would have liked to place a new US dollar long or something, right? Because let's take a look, Euro USD. Euro USD. Now, unfortunately, Euro USD is still around the parity, 1.0%, sorry, 1.0 psychological level. So I don't have an opportunity here, and I don't want to trade. Yeah, yesterday I've had this this setup here on British pound versus the US dollar. After this retest, false breakouts, new lower low, sell off. Yeah. I will delete it. Personally, I've sent US dollar versus the Singapore dollar yesterday. Maybe this one, it would have been a better trade, a better setup here on British pound versus the US dollar rebound. Maybe I will look for potential new shorts here after I don't know, ending its rebound here. British pound, US dollar. Okay, US dollar, Japanese yen. I will take a look on all markets. I paid for VIP Forex today, Mike. And are you in the VIP group? If you paid today, you can also send an email to support if you are not in the VIP group already, or I don't know. You can access the link in your one moment, I have to check something. Yeah. Okay. So if you have questions, Mike and support. Yeah. Okay. You can send an email to support if you have questions. More questions. Okay. So US dollar versus the Japanese yen. It has extended its growth, and yeah, maybe it was a mistake here not to place a pending order, buy stop, or to place a buy stop here. But right now it's too late to go long here. Maybe it has rallied. Maybe I'll wait for a larger rebound, retreat. I would like the price to come back down to retest the immediate support levels before developing a new bullish momentum. So I don't have a a setup here. Okay. In US dollar versus the Japanese yen, dollar index, yeah, it's still there. It continues to pressure 150% Fibonacci line because 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and a descending pitchfork. I will select another color here, something like this. Okay, sell off, rebound, sell off, rebound, and sideways movement here. It's failure to make a new lower low. It has failed to reach at least the medium line. Breakout, gap up, it failed to close the gap up, a new higher high, breakout, and after this rally, maybe a temporary retreat, a temporary drop was natural, was expected. So that's why personally I'm still holding my position in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, US dollar versus the Swiss franc, only because technically I've told you that maybe this will be only a temporary drop, temporary retreat. Okay, yeah, key level, so aggressive breakout, test, retest here, or a temporary drop, temporary retreat, and sell-off was natural and expected in the short term. And please, guys, I will take a look on the YouTube chat, and I will try to answer to your questions. Yeah, to all our questions, because oil is growing too. Let's take a look. Oil is growing. Yeah. After reaching this support zone, I've told you guys that we have a support zone here. Yeah, it has increased a little here after the US crude oil inventories were released on Wednesday, I believe, and but only a temporary rebound here, and then it has extended its sell-off. I've told you guys that after invalidating here a potential larger growth, it could come back down at least towards these former lows. And after this massive sell-off, yeah, it has rebounded. Let's take a look, US dollar, Canadian dollar, because I believe that, yeah, this sell-off here, this retreat on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, maybe forced the US oil to grow a little in the short term. And also here, US dollar, Canadian dollar, I've told you that hi Olympia, thanks for very profitable signal. Yeah, thank you. I don't know what signal exactly, but yeah, I've closed it. I don't know, US dollar, Swiss franc in profit, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen in profit lately. Yeah, and right now New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Actually, let's take a look. Also yesterday, please take a look here, because last night I've decided to manage this position, because personally I've had this short in New Zealand dollar, US dollar from here after escaping, after making value breakdown below this uptrend line. I've managed my position here. I believe after this sell-off I've closed it I don't know 83-85%, and I've kept the remaining despite this rebound. It has failed to reach my stop loss at break even, and then it has resumed its sell-off, its drop. And personally, I've closed it my remaining here on this market. I don't know, something like this, 183 pips profit. Yeah, maybe here something like this, around 0.6070, something like this, because I've told you guys that I've managed my position here, or actually I've decided to close my my remaining New Zealand dollar US dollar here for 183 pips profit, only because it was almost to hit 0.6060, the downside line, also the S2, and I've said that I don't want the price to register something like this strong rebound. Yeah, I've said that I want to manage my position to close the remaining part and to take profit. Okay. Nasdaq 100 and thoughts. I've talked about US 100. Let's take a look. So I don't have anything right now, but if it stays below 12,388, if it registers only false breakouts, and if the US dollar will appreciate, if the dollar index will jump higher, I don't know, maybe it could come back down. Okay, so resistance level here, key level, key resistance. After this accumulation, consolidation here above these levels, but yeah, maybe Orlando will come back to you because Orlando was short actually here on this market. So right now, no, I don't want to do anything. The bias is still bearish as long as the dollar index maintains a bullish bias. Okay. Arif, how about British pound US dollar? Could you tell something about GBP, please? Please tell me what you are looking at on GBP US dollar, and please tell me your time frame. Okay, I will take a look on all markets. As I've said, yeah, I've talked about British pound US dollar, and please guys, don't forget that you can watch this this video later. You can still, let's invite more members. Yeah, sorry about that. Don't worry guys, because I will be here and I will take a look on all markets for you, and I'm looking for new trades, for potential trades. Yeah, for potential trades. So in my opinion, yeah, but as you already know, I'm not a big fan of US equities, US 100, US 30, US 500, but also the rebound could be only a temporary one, maybe here on US equities, maybe. Okay, dollar index rebounded from after reaching 109.04. Also we have here around these former highs and levels, 109 psychological level. Okay, and yeah, right now I'm still hoping that maybe the dollar index will jump higher as expected. That's why I'm still holding my USD longs. Okay, because I told you that mixed data, okay, from the United States, but also technically the dollar index is still bullish. Okay, so yeah. Okay, how about, yeah, Arif, I will take a look on British pound, Japanese yen again. Sorry, British pound versus the US dollar, and then I will take a look also on the Japanese yen. I will talk about Japanese yen because, yeah, I've missed a great opportunity on euro Japanese yen. Shit. Yeah, so about British pound US dollar, I've had something yesterday. I've said that maybe I've missed an opportunity yesterday after this after the S2 retest here on this market. Please take a look. Okay, after retest here, here I've had something like a setup yesterday, but I've I decided to go short, to go long on the US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. I don't know, something like this. I've had a setup yesterday, but yeah, I decided to place a trade in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, which is in profit right now. Yeah, so right now maybe it's too late and to go short or something. I don't have a setup or a really good setup, but the bias is bearish here in British pound versus the US dollar, but I don't have a setup. I don't want to place a shorted market here or a sell stop or something. No, right now, no guys. Yeah, US dollar, Swiss franc. I don't know, maybe here my remaining here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. I will take a look actually on my real account, because if you are a free member, maybe I don't know, you don't believe maybe you want to see my positions that I'm still holding a position in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Yeah, so let's take a look. US dollar versus the Swiss franc. So here's my trade. US dollar versus the Swiss franc. US dollar versus the Swiss franc is still in profit. Please take a look here. Okay, my trades right now, actually our trades: Bitcoin short, US dollar versus the Swiss franc, US dollar versus the Singapore dollar in profit as well. So these are our VIP trades right now in our real account. Okay, so US dollar versus the Swiss franc in profit. And I don't know, I'll keep an eye on this key level, 0.9886. And right now I want here a value breakout above the upper medium line. Okay, a new higher high, a value breakout here, and accumulating more bullish energy here, testing and retesting the upper medium line, confirming its breakout, could signal an imminent breakout through 0.9886 as well, and it could resume its growth. So right now my remaining in US dollar versus the Swiss franc, I don't know, 137 pips in profit. Yeah, false breakout guys in gold, I've told you, but I'm still waiting for this candle to close here below the confluence area in 10 minutes. Yeah, one moment. AZ, third filtering row with loss for Rando. Astan, oil can break 89.3 level. Is it a resistance, Astan? Let's take a look on US oil. US oil, and I will try to. So 83. Sorry. 83. 89.3. I don't know. A resistance. Maybe it's a resistance. I don't know. Maybe it's a resistance. Let's take a look. Let's use more tools here. R1. And okay, 89.3. After this rebound and after this retreat, this immediate high, yeah, it's a resistance in the short term. Okay, intraday. After this rally and after this sell-off, yeah, this is a resistance in the short term. But no, personally, I don't have a setup here, and I don't want to trade oil right now. Please take a look here, sideways movement, and in my opinion, after this false breakout here, or actually after its failure to stay above these former highs, signaled the strong downside pressure, and I don't know. I've told you that maybe after this sell-off it could rebound, but I don't know, the pressure is high, and the new lower low could activate potential downside movement. Okay, so right now, no, I don't have something really good on US oil. So Peter, do you have an opinion about the overall results of the non-farm employment? It is net stronger or weaker for US dollar? We'll have to wait. Okay, I've told you guys, anything could happen. Okay, no one knows. what will really happen after I told you, okay, mixed data, right? Better than expected non-farm payrolls, but worse than expected compared to the last reporting period. Unemployment rate, unexpected growth to 3.7%. Average hourly earnings, only 0.3% growth versus 0.4. Yeah, mixed data, and but I've told you that. Personally, I'm using a mix between fundamentals and technical, and I've told you that technically the dollar index is bullish. Okay, if the US data it would have, if the US it would have reported only better than expected data, then maybe we would have. Maybe the dollar index it would have jumped higher, okay, also above this level. So that's why mixed data was unexpected data. Poor data also reported by the US forced the dollar index to stay here around 109.24 or something, 29, sorry, or it had forced the price to drop here, to retest these former highs. But as long as it stays maybe above these levels and former highs, 109.11, the bias is still bullish, okay, technically. So it remains to see. No one knows what will really happen. Okay. Mangla, Euro, Japanese yen looks bullish. Yeah, let's take a look because shit, I've talked about longs here, Euro, Japanese yen, and I've missed an opportunity here. I've missed an opportunity only because I was away. I was sleeping. I was in bed. So here during the Asian session, we had an opportunity. So this here, so sell off, which it was natural, and this retest here, the R2 retest, false breakdown below the medium line. Here we had a really great setup. Okay, and unfortunately I've missed this opportunity during the Asian session here with a potential, maybe a potential buy stop here, or after this breakout a buy at market or something with a stop loss here or here. It would have been great. I've talked about maybe new longs here after this rally, but I would have liked it to see something like this here before jumping higher, or maybe I would have liked here to see retest above 140 psychological level before extending its growth. So right now I'll wait, and maybe I will catch a new leg higher, because please take a look here, key level, strong rally, and personally maybe I'm expecting a retreat, and after a retreat, personally maybe I still believe that the price could move sideways, or it could retreat a little before developing really strong growth. Okay, so I'll wait. Unfortunately I've missed this opportunity here. So here it would have been I would have liked to place a trade here, but yeah, I've said that when I woke up the price was here, so it was too late. Only because I talked about yen baskets in the previous days. I talked about this rebound, sell-off, retest here. I've talked about yesterday, and maybe it was a mistake not to place something like I don't know, buy at market on Euro Japanese yen, on buy at market on Canadian dollar Japanese yen, because technically this sell-off was expected, maybe was expected after this rebound, retreat, retest, a new lower low, but unfortunately I've missed these opportunities, but it's fine, I'm not worried. Also here I've said that after this breakout here, aggressive breakout, we had something on Canadian dollar Japanese yen, and Yeah, unfortunately, I've missed new Japanese yen shorts. I've talked about these Japanese yen shorts. Maybe you are short on the Japanese yen. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Look at what US dollar Japanese yen did. Hi, sir. What's happening to Australian? What is happening to Australian dollar Japanese yen? It is R2 pivot point on 15 minutes time frame. Legend, Peter, thanks. Yeah, Duran, longs on US dollar Japanese yen. Sir, I'm short on Australian dollar Japanese yen. How it looks to you? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. You are short. From where? Because it's strongly bullish. Royston, are you short? Where is your entry? Are you short from here after this aggressive breakout and rally? After this aggressive breakout above 95.74? Please, guys. Please tell me what you are looking at and please tell me your levels. Duran. US dollar Japanese yen. US dollar Japanese yen. Whoa. Yeah. Really nice candle. False breakdown with great separation for now, and this candle, 1 hour candle, will be closed in 56 seconds. Also, let's take a look because also here we had this false breakdown with great separation. Maybe let's see, let's wait 46 seconds before this 1 hour candle will be closed. Also here in dollar index, and only because we had this candle here, US dollar Japanese yen printed this this one here. But I told you it's bullish. Okay, on the market it's bullish. US dollar Japanese yen is bullish, but no, I don't want to buy it here right below the the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. No. Okay, I told you that maybe we had an opportunity also here, only here, sorry, after this range, after this accumulation consolidation. Okay, breakout, retest, boom. Okay, right now it's too late, in my opinion. It's up to you if you want to do something on this market. So 95, 60, 95, 69. $95.69. Yeah, so you are short from here. Why? Okay, only because the price reached resistance. So this is a really good example. I've told you all the time that personally I will not go short on a market only because the price reached a resistance. Okay, I've told you several times. Several times that no, personally, I will not go short. I will not sell a market currency pair like here, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, only because it has reached these levels, these key levels. No, I've told you all the time. If the price reaches resistance, I want to see test, retest, false breakouts, and then maybe it will turn to the downside. It will drop. No, I don't want to. I don't want to sell only because it has reached resistance. Because the price could take out the resistance and then it could resume its growth, and you will lose money. Okay, it's up to you how you want to trade. It's up to you what strategy you want to use. But no, personally, also at support, I don't want to. I don't know. I don't want to buy a support only because. Let's take a look, and maybe I will have an example here. Yeah, please take a look here. Yeah, maybe here you wanted to go long, to buy this this Australian dollar Japanese yen. Okay. From here, only because the price reached 91.42, but okay, because after this sell-off, maybe you wanted to buy it, but the price dropped it below resistance. Okay, and it has reached other levels or key levels or targets or something. Okay, so it's very, very important. Also here, aggressive breakdown. Okay. So yeah, this is my opinion. I'm not trading only because I'm not going short only because the price reached resistance or something, okay? Because right now, yeah, I don't know, it could still invalidate this breakout here, okay? It could still print something like this, like a major bearish it could still print a bearish candle, a major bearish candle, something like a bearish engulfing. But also it could only retest 95.74 this key level and then to extend this growth. But yeah, technically, Royston, after this amazing rally, yeah, we cannot exclude a retreat, a sell-off, okay? And then you can, I don't know, manage your position, or yeah, it's up to you how you want to trade or how you want to manage your position, okay? Euro USD spike. One moment, because I have to take a look on something. I have to take a look on something, but I will keep an eye on your messages and I will try to. So it's up to you. Yeah, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, yen basket. If the yen basket continues to drop, then Australian dollar, Japanese yen could resume its growth, in my opinion. But also here on the yen basket, after its strong sell-off, massive drop, it could rebound, and then it's up to you. Euro USD, I will take a look. One moment. Okay, so Euro USD. Let's take a look. So right now, Euro USD daily short. One moment. Okay, so no, I don't have something here on Euro USD. The bias is still bearish, in my opinion. Okay. Okay, so as long as it stays below this key level here, in my opinion, Euro USD is still bearish, in my opinion. Okay, only a new higher high could activate a larger rebound. So this sideways movement, I don't know, maybe it could bring us new short opportunities. But right now, no, I don't want you to sell it, only because it continues to stay here near parity. No, okay. Maybe I'll look for potential trades on the US dollar, on euro versus the US dollar, only after something like this here, after the dollar index will make a very breakout above the warning line. Okay. Yeah, because right now I'll wait to see how it will react. It could come back to retest these levels, and the value breakout here could bring us maybe new US dollar longs. Okay. What maximum level the DXY could go before reversal? Aditya Kumar, I don't know. It depends. What reversal? Long term, short term, intraday, short term, medium term, long term. Yeah. Yeah, it has climbed as much as 109.97 and it has reversed. Yeah, in the short term. Are you talking about long term? Yeah, I don't know. Please take a look here. It has jumped above key levels, former highs. So I don't know. It could maybe resume its growth. I don't know. Yeah. And also, as you already know, the Federal Reserve is expected to continue hiking rates in the next monetary policy meetings. 50 basis points rate hike is expected in September during this month. And I don't know, maybe the dollar index could try to jump higher. Okay, but I'll wait. Technically, as long as it stays above this uptrend line, it's still bullish in my opinion. Staying above 109 psychological level is still bullish, despite this temporary drop, despite sell-offs here, false breakdowns. Yeah. Okay. If USD is strong, then Australian dollar will be weak, right? I don't know. Let's take a look. Australian dollar, US dollar. It depends. Australian dollar could still be Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, Australian dollar is bullish only because actually this pair is bullish only because the yen is strongly bearish. Let's take a look. Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, I don't know, it's bullish. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, it has rallied. So I don't have a correlation. When the US dollar is strong, the Australian dollar will be weak. Only because I could trade. So when the US dollar is bullish, or when the US dollar is strongly bullish, maybe I will look only for potential shorts here. But right now, it has rallied also here, and no, I don't have a setup right now. Okay. Fundamentals. Aaron, sell Swiss franc New Zealand dollar entry. Now I will not tell you what to do, and yeah, it's your call. If you want to sell Swiss franc versus the New Zealand dollar, it's up to you. Okay. And also about this entry. Sorry about that. About this entry. 66.05 or something. Please take a look. Right now it has reached support. It remains to see sideways movement. And as long as it stays above this this level, only false breakdowns, it could signal a potential reversal. Only a valid breakdown here could signal potential downside continuation. But after this strong sell-off, it could also drop here before turning to the upside, retesting this level. So it's up to you. Personally, I'm not trading this this market. Yeah. What are you trading here? The New Zealand dollar or the Swiss franc? Okay. Big made project. Hi, I opened an Ava trade account from your affiliate link and I'm trading with it. And do I get VIP signals and training modules? Big made project. Please send an email to support. Okay. And the big mate, yeah, you will be added to the VIP group if you open it an account and if you'll trade on that account. But big mate projects, please send an email to support, or you can access. Actually, the support team will come back to you, I believe, or you can send an email to support. They will sort you out, and yeah, you will get VIP trades, VIP content. You will be added in the VIP group. Okay, Euro USD daily short at 1.0143. I said that I don't have a setup right now on Euro USD. I need a setup. Yeah, 0.143 from here. It remains to see, yeah, how it will react, because, yeah, breakout, $1.0017 as resistance right now. And also we have this key level, actually, yeah, 1.0018. A value breakout above it could signal potential further growth towards maybe the former highs, in my opinion. And only staying below this level could signal a potential new sell-off or something. So only because the dollar index is still bearish right now. I told you, unfortunately, worse than expected US data, unemployment rate, unexpected growth, average hourly earnings was than expected, and also the non-farm payrolls came in better than expected, but below July's below, one moment, because I need the data. The non-farm payrolls 315,000 below 526,000 in July. So yeah, maybe. Okay, what about gold cube? Let's take a look. Gold, sorry, I was live for 1 hour, but I will stay here to answer to your questions. Gold, I've talked about gold, and I've said that maybe I will look for shorts in gold after this rebound will be over. And let's take a look here. Gold. Yeah, this flag, guys, here could still bring a new sell-off in gold. So that's why personally I will keep an eye on this flag, on this pattern up channel, and I will look for shorts after the price will end its rebound. So 38.2, only false breakout, test, retest, I don't know, false breakouts, valid breakdown, boom. Okay, in my opinion, gold will turn to the downside if the dollar index will make a valid breakout here, and if it will resume its growth. Okay. Long term, yeah, about the dollar index, I don't know. Right now it's still bullish, so it remains to see. No one knows. Yeah. Harrison, I'm long on US dollar Singapore dollar at 1.4002 using your take profit and stop loss setup. Almost stop it due no farm payroll spike. Yeah. So what? If you cannot afford to lose 0.78% of your trading account, don't trade. Okay? It was almost, but it didn't reach my stop loss in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Personally, I'm still keeping that position. I'm still long on that. I'm still long on US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. It's up to you. If you want to manage your position, you can do it. Personally, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Personally, I'm sharing my trades, my trade management. If you want to follow my trades and my trade management, it's fine. If you don't want to follow my trades, it's fine as well. Okay, so yeah. You are in the wrong place if you believe that trading is only about winning trades. You are in the wrong place if you believe that I don't know, a professional trader will have only winning trades or something. No. Okay, Kumar, why don't you come face cam as Orlando? Please do live face cam. Yeah, maybe I will, but I don't think that that this is a priority right now. I'm focused on trading, on developing new strategies, trading course, maybe strategy, maybe a mentorship or something. So yeah, there are other things really important right now, Kumar, not to appear on camera. If I'll appear on camera, your trading will be better or something, or my trading will be better or something. No. So yeah, okay, if you have questions, dollar index, yeah, it's still bearish. It could still retest these levels here. Let's take a look. Bitcoin turned to the upside. Yeah, so 19 guys, this level 19,666. Please take a look here. 19,666, this key level, this historical level. Stop it, the downside movement, the sell-off. Yeah, it has managed to jump above this downtrend line. It has escaped from this channel. One and two and three here. No. Sideways movement, and yeah, it has validated its breakout above the downtrend line. It has turned it to the upside, but I don't know, maybe only jumping, closing, and stabilizing above 20,700. This key level, it could activate a larger rebound in the short term or something. Often you close trades before high impact news. What's the reason you keep the user running? So I've talked about Rahman, I've talked about the thought process, I've talked about the dollar index, I've talked about US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, why I've decided to keep my position. So yeah, please watch this this webinar later again in our YouTube channel. Yeah, Rahman, because I've told you that that maybe I will manage it after the non-farm payrolls. Okay, so we had mixed data from the United States. US indicators reported mixed data. Okay, that's why I'm still holding, and also because the dollar index is still above this uptrend line, immediate uptrend line, above 150% Fibonacci line, above these former highs. So that's why I'm still holding. Okay, sir, where are you from? I love your voice very much. Where are you from, Aniket? Can you confirm 1708 is the support for gold short? What? Support for gold short? What? 1700 708. I don't know what you are talking about. Godson, can you confirm is the support for gold short? What support? 38.2, 1710 resistance. Dynamic resistance here, upside line. Okay, what support? So you so here is 1708 support. What support? Okay, I know a strategy where you can win every trade, but with one condition. Yeah, hedging. Thanks. Yeah, okay, I was live here for more than 1 hour. It seems that you don't have questions, real questions about markets. What is your pitchfork level measurement? What? Kingsley, if you want to know more about pitchfork or how to use it, please visit our YouTube channel. Okay, and I've posted several trading tutorials about pitchfork in our YouTube channel. So please watch those tutorials, and if you have questions, yeah, you can come back next when I'll host the next webinar and we can talk. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Unfortunately, yeah, let's take a look again. Euro, Japanese yen. Yeah, this retreat. Yeah, only because maybe the yen basket will rebound after its could rebound after its massive sell-off. And someone asked me about Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Maybe your trade will still be good, but I don't know exactly your stop loss. Maybe the price already reached your stop loss, or if you are not using a stop loss, this is bad. Okay, if your stop loss is here above this level with a short position here, I don't know, maybe if the price action will invalidate this breakout, yeah, it remains to see. Yeah. But in my opinion, also here on Australian dollar, Japanese yen, maybe will have only a temporary drop, a temporary retreat before extending its growth. And the temporary drop could help us to, I don't know, to go long, in my opinion. If you want to be a seller, if you want to go short, it's up to you. I don't know, on lower time frames, on, I don't know, okay? Why you always place stop orders, not market execution? Because maybe if I'll place only, maybe if I'll go at market, yeah, you will open the trade after 10 minutes, after half an hour, or I don't know, and then maybe you will lose money. Okay, that's why we are trying to go with to place pending orders. To be able to, if you want to follow our trades, to be able to place those trades as well. So that's why, okay, because that's why we are looking for potential trades with for high probability trades. And because yeah, here it was a mistake not to place a pending order here or here. Yeah, it would have been great to place a pending order, and that's why. Yeah, maybe personally, yeah, I'm trading, or actually I'm placing trades at market, but I believe that you will not be satisfied if you will, open Telegram group after 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and you will see that personally I'm already in profit, or I don't know, you will, you will get or you will place the trades too late or something. So no, you will not be satisfied. So that's why. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. Have a great weekend, and I will come back with my updates and with new trades later. And I'm still keeping an eye here, because testing, retesting 100 and the 4-tip psychological level could bring us an upside continuation here. And yeah, I want to be maybe a buyer here on Euro Japanese yen, but I will share my trade, my levels in the VIP group. And also please take a look here. Yeah, inside sliding line, medium line, breakout. This could be a retest here before extending its growth. So yeah, this could be my next trade in Euro Japanese yen. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.